Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Evans, aka Zach or Zach's FX, and I'm back on your screens with another video. Yeah, so guys, today is another day in my life, and I'm here to kickstart with the week 5 of my Project Discipline Trader series. So, with that being said, I wouldn't waste much of your time, and I'll just go ahead and explain what is actually happening on the chart with you guys. I took a buy this morning on gold, and as you all can see on the chart, the trade is running deep in blues. Yeah. So guys, let me just go ahead and then start with my analysis why I took this buy on gold. So first of all, let me start with my daily time frame. Let me show you something on the daily time frame. So on the daily, you can clearly see that price is in an uptrend, and it's just advisable to keep buying the market, but that is not enough. I trade supply and demand, so I spotted a demand zone on the daily time frame, and here it is. After this push, price came all the way down here, created this higher low, and then started pushing all the way back up. So price took out this previous high, and whenever I'm looking out for my supply zones, I wait for price, supply or demand zones. I wait for price to take out the previous high, the most recent high or the most recent low. So this was the most recent high, and price took it out. So while price was while price was going to take out this high, it created a demand zone over here, which I'll be marking out for you on the daily time frame. So this was the demand zone. So this looks like a drop base rally demand zone. So I spotted this, and then I knew that at this zone I'll be looking for buys only. So I moved to my 4H time frame. I have to take out this zone because it's too big. I just needed a reaction in that zone, and then I got it. So I went to my 4H time frame, and on the 4H, price created something like a breakout of the trend line, and then it went back to retest. But if you go to the daily time frame, all these movements, all that breakout and retest on the 4H was just a weak rejection on the daily. And I'm taking my key information from the daily, so I'm not going to be regarding the 4H information like that. All I need to see now is I need to see information on the chart that is aligning with my daily time frame. So I moved to my hourly time frame, and then I saw this. I saw that price created a head and shoulder pattern, and it looks like on the third tap of the trend line, price is creating a head and shoulder pattern after this massive drop. So all I needed to do is wait for price to come back for a suitable zone for me to be able to get an entry. So price came back into these zones, and this was like the price created the first shoulder and then the head. This was supposed to be the head, and then the second shoulder. So now I'm anticipating that price will break above the neckline of this head and shoulder, and then come back for a retest and continue to the upside. So that is uh my anticipation on this chart. That's what I'm looking at to see on gold today, and I'm already, I waited for price to come back all the way into the zone for me to be able to get an entry, and I entered the trade. Price did its own thing a little bit, and then it started moving in the direction I anticipated. Now we are up in blues. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but of late, or starting from today, it's just today that I've witnessed this. 50 pips is just very, very small. 50 pips is very, very small on the gold chart. Look at 50 pips. This is really, really small. So I need to reduce my lot size so I can get 100 pips stop loss. So that's what I'm using. I'm risking 100 pips on this setup, and I'm targeting 300 pips. So let's just see how it goes, guys. Let's just see how it goes. And I'm going to keep you guys updated however this ends. So that will be all for now. Let's get on with the video, guys. Yeah, so guys, price actually went to take me out at break even, and it's pushing back up again. Yeah, so that's just it. You can see over here $0.50. No, I took my SL to, or I moved my SL to the entry point, and price came back to take it out over there. So that's just all for today. I won't be taking any other trade. I'll just wait for tomorrow to go again. So that's it, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, so good morning, guys. Today is day 15 of my Project Disciplined Trader series, and I'm here to trade with you guys again. Yesterday, I took a trade and it went to hit my SL. So, yesterday, I took a loss. After taking a break even trade on Monday, I took a loss yesterday, which was Tuesday, and today, Wednesday, I'm already in a trade. Actually, I took two trades. I saw a setup on BTC USD, I took it, and then gold also presented another buy for me. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into the chart so I can show you what I saw before taking those trades. So let's go, guys. So guys, this is on BTC USD, and you can see that the trade is very deep in my SL zone. The trade is currently going straight, or the trade is currently heading towards my SL. But I'm going to keep my chill. I'm going to keep my cool and wait to see what this setup will do. First of all, let me show you what I actually saw before taking this trade. So, price has been selling. Price has been in this downtrend for a while now, and this here is a key zone or the previous low. So when price went up, that gave me a third tap on the trend line. I was expecting price to break below this key zone, but then what do we see? Price came here and then it started reacting to this zone. So I moved to my hourly time frame. I saw that price has created a double bottom formation around here. Now I needed to get an entry confirmation. So I went to my 30 minutes and then I saw another 30 minutes double bottom formation. I saw another 30-minute double bottom formation around here. And so price came down here, went up, gave me something like an equal low, and then it broke above it. So now we just needed a pullback and a retest around this level before I can keep trading the market to the upside. So I moved to my 15 minutes, and then I saw that price gave me a very nice retest after breaking this high. Price came back and then it attempted to push back but gave me a pin bar, and it gave me a pin bar, and then I entered the trade after this bullish candle had closed. So I entered the trade. Price went a bit into my direction and then it reversed. But let's just see how this plays out. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you how my XAU USD trade is also moving. So this is my gold setup. So starting from my 4-inch time frame, you could see that price has been in an uptrend. Yeah, on my XAUSD chart, price has been in an uptrend on the 4-inch level. So price gave us this impulsive sales all the way to the bottom here. It gave us a rejection, like a weak rejection on the daily. But price, after giving us this rejection, it reacted to a key zone around here and then it dropped again. So I was expecting price to keep selling from here, but then look what happened. After getting to this zone, price rejected to the upside, came back down and reacted to the same level that it had been reacting to. So this was my third reaction. This here was my third reaction from this zone, and then I noticed that maybe price is beginning to change from being bearish to bullish. So I just needed to wait for the switch or the change in momentum. So this morning price pushed all the way to the upside. I was expecting price to come all the way down here, but it didn't happen. It gave me a quick retest, like on the 4-inch. It gave me a quick retest at this zone. After the break of this neckline, price gave me a quick retest. With this weak rejection, it attempted to push down and then it spiked to the upside. So I was just waiting for a place where I could enter, and then I saw that price has broken above this highs. This zone has been a solid support level, so price has broken above it, and I expected it to give me another solid resistance. So you could see that after the breakout of this zone, price came attempted to push all the way to the downside, and then it has been failing since then. So I saw this movement, and then I entered when this bullish candle here was pushing. I entered and then left before I could realize price came all the way attempting to hit my SL, and then it spiked all the way to the upside. So let's just see how this one also goes. Yeah. Let's just see how it goes. So today is my last day trading in my week 5 of my project discipline trader series. So whatever happens today, I'll just take the result like that and then wait for next week to come. So see you in the video, guys. BTC also is also spiking very massively to my SL zone. Let's just see how it goes, guys. Yeah, so guys, this an update on the trade I took earlier this morning, and it's left with 2 minutes to 4 p.m. and I want to end the video here. Yeah, I want to end the video. Although the trade hasn't hit my TP or my SL, the trade is still running. I just want to end the video. Whatever happens or whatever the outcome is, I'll post a screenshot at the end of the video. So that's just it. This on BTC USD. Price is still running in blues. After price went to almost taking me out, it pushed back, and then now I'm in a bit of blues. Yeah. Let me show you on my MT5. You could see that I'm up about $60+ on my cent account. Yeah. Sorry. So let me show you the XAU USD trade. So this is the gold trade. Gold would have hit my TP, but then I closed the trade at 1-to-1. Yeah, I had to close the trade at 1-to-1 because when I saw price reacting to this 30-minute supply zone, I thought maybe it would come back and then take me on, because price hasn't tapped into this demand zone, and I knew maybe price would, when I saw price reacting in this supply zone, I thought maybe it might push back all the way into this demand zone. So I decided to close it at 1-to-1. Yeah, you could see that I have my $59.05 on my XAU USD buy. Yeah. So that's just it. I took a break-even trade on gold, and then BTC USD is still running, and it's in up, and I'm up in a bit of blues. So let's just see how it goes. Whatever happens on this, or whatever the outcome is, I'll post a screenshot of it at the end of the video. So that's just all on this one. So guys, this is the last trade I want to take. So this is the last trade I'll be taking for my week 5 of the Project Discipline Trader series that I'm making. So that will just be all on this one. Well, if you are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Evans, aka Zach or ZachSwayFX, and I'm a forex trader here in Ghana, and I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys my ups and downs on how I'm working this journey to become a profitable and a disciplined trader. So if you're interested in content like this, do what to smash the like button for your boy, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so that every time I drop a new video, you will get notified. So that's just all on this one. See you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.